Hi everybody, welcome to Wellness 1. If you were expecting Miss Egan's face, don't be surprised, you are still in the right spot. For those of you who don't know, I am Miss Dwyer. I am student teaching in the PE and Wellness department. So I will be student teaching for your class through May 14th. So about half of the class, you will have me. So feel free to ask me any questions that you have over Miss Egan, just because I am taking on your class. But if there's something super important, please reach out to her too. Just know that I'm going to be the one making all the Schoology pages and the assignments and everything like that. So if you're on this page, if you're listening to this video, you're off to a good start. So I'm going to share my screen with you. So if you found this page, good work. All right. Every day there's going to be a page like this titled with the date. Okay. So just click on that date and everything that you're going to need is going to be on this one page for that day. Okay. So I'm just going to go through today's page with you. All right. So if you're listening, you're pretty much going to be done with today's class. All right. So I try to have a GIF at the beginning. I hope you think they're funny. I think they're pretty funny. So today we're going to go over how to navigate the Schoology page, task and daily expectations, and then a get to know you activity. All right. So how to navigate our school page, you're just going to go to materials and you'll click on the folder for today. All right. Do not go to gradebook and just click on the assignments. You're going to be very, very confused because there is no instruction there. So make sure you're going to materials and then the folder. Also, my office hours are going to be 10 to 1. So I'm going to post them up here. Eventually, they'll be right here in this little corner and it'll say 10 to 1. That means that I'll be on my computer answering any questions you guys have from those hours. If you have a question after that, please feel free to ask me. Just no guarantee I'll get back to you right away. All right. So today's tasks, pretty much every day we'll have something right here that says today's tasks. I think this is helpful just because you can go through them in order. They're in the order that you should be completing this class, and it kind of lays it out so you know what's expected of you that day. So today, task 1, watch my video. I'm going to explain everything to you. So you're already doing task 1. Congrats. Task 2, you're going to learn about how you're going to be successful in this class. In task 3, we're going to talk about your assignment for today. Okay, so there will be a video here. Obviously, I'm making it right now. Okay, task 2, learn about how you're going to be successful in this class. So like we talked about, follow the daily tasks. Okay, they are there to help you and guide you and give you an outline of every single day. Okay, number 2, submit all your assignments and activities. Everything that you're going to need is always going to be at the bottom of the page here. Okay, so if I'm giving you an assignment or a worksheet or something, it is always going to be linked at the bottom of the page. Okay. What will also be there is the place to submit it. So like today, you're going to submit a video and this is where you have to click. If we're doing a discussion post, that'll be linked here as well. So everything should be in one spot for you to make it as easy as possible to go find that stuff. So let's say you're super swamped on Wednesday, you don't get to our class on Thursday. It's going to be super easy. You go back, look at Wednesday's class, and everything's going to be right there. Okay, if you see in the gradebook that you're missing Wednesday, April 15th's work, awesome, you know which folder to go to. Okay, so it should make it pretty easy for you guys to be able to figure this out on your own and to be able to navigate it. Okay, and then the last thing to be successful is watch these videos. So when we go through content, I'm going to be walking you through the PowerPoints and walking you through all the information that you need to know. So the more that you listen to these, the better off you're going to be, and I promise that. All right, so that's it for really the talking today. Last thing is I'm just going to explain your assignment. So you're going to submit and create a 1-minute video of yourself. Okay, super informal. You're just going to be talking to the camera. This is just the way for me to get to know you. All right, so it's going to be tough to get to know each other through the computer here, but things you can talk about: your name, your favorite hobbies, how quarantine's treating you, who are you quarantining with, things you're looking forward to this summer. Really just anything that I should get to know about you that's going to be helpful for me moving forward this quarter. Okay, so after you make this 1-minute video, you're going to submit it in here by 11:59 tonight. Okay, so you have all day to just make this 1-minute video. That's all you need. Come back tomorrow. We'll have something else for you. All right, have a good day.